everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to convert columns into rows and rows into columns with the help of transpose function. So for this, here we have a sample data of category and items. So I want to convert these rows category item 1, item 2, item 3 into columns. So for this purpose, firstly, we will select our data, we will press Ctrl C, and suppose in the cell B6 we want to, suppose in the cell G1 we want to transpose the data, that is to convert the rows into columns. So we will press Ctrl Alt V, and here we will select the transpose option and we will click on OK. So here we can see that the rows are converted into columns. So the category is in cell G and the items are apple, banana and orange. So I hope you have understood the use of transpose function and how to convert rows into column, and and to convert column into rows we can use the same method. Thank you for watching this video.